class 11th, and you are following COVID-19 rules and regulations and maintaining distance while you are all in social groups. And it is very important to have social distance, wear a mask, and time to time sanitize yourself, your place where you are sitting, and the objects that you are utilizing. We are having chapter number 10, psychology and sports. Today we are going to discuss about developmental characteristics at different stage of development. How we can see the development in different ages or different age group, as we can compare ourselves by, by our heights, measuring our heights by the age, or in which age group you are in now. First of all, it is really essential for all of us to know what are the meaning of growth and development. Meaning of growth and development. In a previous lecture, if you remember, I had already told you the difference between growth and development. Generally, growth and development are usually, we see that these two words means same, but although it seems same, but the meaning is very different. If we try to understand the meaning of growth and development, we came to know that there is hardly any specific difference. We have to find out difference, as generally we are talking in a group discussion or in a class, we never find a difference between them. When we go through it and see the inner detail of growth and development, then only we are able to find the specific or the importance of growth or development. The first stage is infancy. The stage from birth to end of second year is called infancy. When a child is born till the age of 2 years, that period is called infancy. And in these two periods, if you have your brothers and sisters, you can watch them minutely, observe them. You will see the various changes every day. At this stage, the grasping power of infant's brain become very fast, because the brain is empty and the child is watching each and every, observing the colors. It is very important. Power of memory also increase. Language, understand, he tries to understand the language and try to speak. You had seen in this early age a child try to speak, but the words are not clear, but still he is trying and trying and trying to speak, and gradually at the time he speak the clear words. In this age, listening power becomes better, and the motor skills, try to walks, jumping and running. You can see the child is always running and jumping. These are the motor skills we find in infancy till the age of 2. Now the above level is Childhood. Childhood stage begins from third year and ends by the end of 12 year. The stage begins from the age of 3, a child is 3 years, till the age of 12 years. In this, their development become very fast during the first 3 years, and later on development become very strong and vigorous. Physically he is growing, mentally he is growing emotionally also. At this stage, children spend most of their time playing. We had noticed, even you also noticed, in this stage, when a child is in class 4th, 5th, 6th, he loves to play games running here and there, involved in recreational games, try to understand about sports and games. At that time, why the child is taking part or why he is interested? Neuromuscular coordination is building. What is building? Neuromuscular coordination of a child. And coordination become efficient and enough. That's why we try to involve these students during annual sports day, and it is very important. Play makes a child stronger and better. At this stage, concentration power of the child also increase. At this stage, children are more courageous and imaginative, resourceful and adventurous. They try to find out certain things. They love to ride bicycles nearby their town, watch many things, adventurous. Now, from 12 to from 13 to 19 years, adolescence. We had seen infancy, childhood, now adolescence. The age from 13 years to 19 years. Here we can see the growth of adolescence becomes spontaneous. The different characteristics of a child we can see here, and in different stages. That one of the character is physical characteristics. And what are physical characteristics? In this stage, growth become very fast. In adolescence period, many physical changes take place. It develops the internal, external sexual organ of a child. Many physical changes take place in boys and girls. And one of the example of physical change is their voice. You had seen suddenly the voice of a child change. As adolescents do not have complete knowledge of such physical changes, they become restless, impatient, worried about unset naturally. While the physical changes is growing, naturally the child become upset and we have to guide them. Mental characteristics. Physical growth and mental growth go hand in hand, but it is not applicable for all the adolescents. It has been seen in case of some adolescents, they lag behind in mental growth. Some they are forward, but many of them are a little back in mental growth. During this stage, ability to criticize and take decision and eagerness of curiosity for novel thoughts and ideas are developed. Motor characteristics. Motor coordination tends to improve during this stage. Improvement is also seen in coordinative abilities. What are coordinative abilities? Suppose we are doing some work, the work has been done efficiently or proper. We can see coordinative abilities while playing, while you are having school games and sports. There is a rapid development of maximum strength and explosive strength in boys as compared to girls. They try to build their muscles in comparison to girls.